Good morning, students. We've been doing the chapter of manufacturing industries of India, and we have been seeing how important manufacturing industry is not just for India, but for any modern economy on the planet. Because today, and in today's economy, you cannot do just with your agriculture, and we in this process we saw the significant amount of role that is being played by the iron and steel industry, the aluminium industry, the chemical industry. And today we would be looking at one of the very important industries of India, and for that matter any part of the world, which is cement industry. As you all understand, you can't do without cement. You cannot imagine the modern life around without cement. Just look around you and you would see cement everywhere. It is just the whole world today is about concrete and cement. You can't do without it. Okay, so let's start cement industry. Cement is essential for construction activities such as building houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and for other commercial establishments. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, and gypsum. Coal and electrical power are needed apart from the rail transportation. The industry has strategically located plants in Gujarat that have suitable access to the markets in Gulf countries. The first cement plant was set up in Madras in 1904. After independence, the industry expanded, and the decontrol of price and distribution since 1989 and other policy reforms led to the cement industry to make rapid strides in capacity, process technology, and production. Students, you have to understand what it is trying to tell you is the decontrol of price and distribution since 1989. Now, cement, just like diesel, was always considered to be extremely important for infrastructure. Cement is something which is, you can understand how important it is because it is everyone has to use it. Even a poor man who constructs a one room house needs to have buy cement. And the millionaires who would build their mansions, they also need cement. And because of this, the government used to control the price of cement for many years after, even after independence, that is till 1989, because the government did not want the price of cement to go out of hand or some kind of hoarding to happen where the price shoots up. So that was brought under, cement was always under Essential Commodities Act, because the government understood that the poorest of the poor use cement, and that is why they did not want the manufacturing companies to have their say in the regulation of prices, that they could fix the prices whatever and however they wished, because that would be extremely damaging for the poor segment of Indian population. But that was the situation till 1989. Before, and you would be and it is very interesting to know that there were a lot of cement factories which were run by the government of India or by the respective state governments, so because they wanted to, so that the prices could be managed and the prices could be regulated. But the problem with public sector undertaking, students, you have to just you now you're class 10 students, though it is not mentioned in the chapter, but you should think about it. The problem with the public sector or a state manufacturing unit is that they are not able to keep up with the trends in the market. They are not able to modernize. They are not able to automate properly. That is the introduction of modern machinery and everything that is not there in the public sector undertakings, because they take a huge amount of time to really adapt to the changing market conditions. The market trend could be something else. The people want a different kind of cement, but they still have the same stuff to offer. Then the quality controls cannot be there because they are government undertakings. They know that yes, our salary would in any case come from the government of India or from the state government. So they do not necessarily have to depend on the earnings from the market, because they know that kuch bhi ho tankha to aa hi jayegi.